Fire Prevention Week this year is from October 6th through October 12th, and we here at Maplewood Fire would like to provide you with some fire safety tips.
It might seem obvious, but most of the fires that we go on are attributed to kitchen fires. Most of these fires are caused by people leaving items such as towels and food products either close to or unattended on their burners or stoves. If you have a fire in your kitchen while you're cooking, shut your burners off, exit your home, and call 911. In the event that you are baking or cooking in the oven, we want to make sure that you're periodically checking in on your food products. In the event that you have a fire in your oven, shut your oven off, call 911, and exit your home.
When it comes to heating equipment, space heaters are generally the culprit. Remember to keep a 3-foot distance clear in all directions around the space heater. This includes keeping children that same 3 feet away. And remember to have your furnace, fireplace, and other heating equipment checked and cleaned annually.
Now that we've identified some potential hazards, you should have a plan if a fire breaks out. For the kitchen, you should have an ABC extinguisher. If you don't have a fire escape plan, implement one. Practice it and include a meeting spot outside. And I know it's tough, but don't go back in for pets or even people.
Please check your smoke alarms twice a year. Smoke alarms should be installed on every level of your home and in your bedrooms. Smoke alarms save lives.